What's up everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. It's Jordan. If you're new to the channel, I'm a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. Here on the channel, we do sneaker unboxing videos, sneaker shopping videos, informational tips on sneakers and about sneakers. If you haven't checked out yesterday's video, make sure to check it out. Also, we are on the road to 800 subs and we have the giveaway occurring at 1K subs, which you are not going to want to miss. So if you're a sneakerhead like myself, make sure to drop a sub. Today we are going to be talking about my top 5 picks for sneaker investments right now. This is all opinionated. I am definitely not a financial advisor. For all you guys know, I could be working at Chuck E. Cheese right now. But I run Kicked Out LV. I've really been selling sneakers for all my life. But sneaker culture will always come before sneaker reselling. None of these investments will be short-term. These are definitely all long-term. And if you decide to make any investments, I'd say the last and second to last pick are my favorites, and those will be the shoes that we're going to be going hard at to acquire. But without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. Alrighty, so for the first spot, I'm going to put a dunk. We have the Nike Dunk Low in the Paisley colorway. I am putting the green and the blue on the list. I think these will do the best out of the 5 colorways. I know the other colorways are clean too, but I feel like green and blue are really going to do well this summer. A lot of people want something they could wear, and that blue colorway just looks amazing. So in the green colorway, I'd be looking at a 6 women to 8 women's. When I first purchased these, they were going for around $250. Now today they jumped up to $274. It could come back down, but already looking good for this investment. And then for the blue paisleys, I'd want to get the 6 women's to 10 women's. That blue paisley colorway, it's just amazing, and a lot of people who like TikTok and are influenced by TikTok are going to want that blue paisley colorway. After I saw how much they're going for now, I might even order a pair for myself because they just look amazing. So number 1, Nike Dunk Low in the green paisley and the blue paisley colorway. So here we have a Jordan mid, again going with the really popular silhouettes. This is the Jordan 1 mid in the diamond colorway. I said size 8 and up are good. I'd want to pay as close to retail as possible. You guys may be able to still go into some of your local sneaker shops and find these. Usually if there's too much white, then a lot of people would stray away from it because they don't want something that can get dirty very easily. But I feel like they balance this whole shoe very well, and the whole concept is very clean. Just looking at that white, it has like an iridescent kind of sparkle to it, so it looks really clean. I was able to cop these for retail, so very nice. I think these are good small investment and a great colorway, so that's our second pick at Kicked Out LV. So next up we have the Air Jordan 3 in the muslin colorway. I really like these. I think the colorway is very clean. Drop day, they were up to 300, close to 300 on stock. They have dropped down now, which I think is great because I will be able to get some more pairs of these. So I love how low-key it is. It gives that vintage vibe that is really in right now. So I think this is something that will do good, and because the prices have dropped, I think it is going to be a good investment. Again, over time it should definitely rise. These next 2 picks I'm going hard at acquiring because these are just some of the best investments that I can personally make right now. Alrighty, so next up, this was already one of the most hyped sneakers of the year, the Jordan 6 in the UNC colorway. Such a great colorway. Again, after release date, prices dropped, but that is not scaring me away. It's just such a clean colorway. It's part of the UNC pack. When I look at the prices of the UNC 1 and the prices of the UNC 4, those are all doing very good. Again, this is going to be another shoe that I want to get a lot of because I feel like the potential in these is great. Right now, if I could get these for $260 to $280, I'm pulling the trigger. I think it is a really great shoe, and it's just going to be a great hold. And also when I'm doing these picks, I also look at other people like Sniper Kicks. You know, he does his YouTube channel, a lot of information, and he puts out his thoughts, so you can see his thoughts to get another YouTuber's aspect. So for the last pick, I'd say if you invest in any shoes out of this whole video, this is definitely going to be the one you want to invest in. I think it is just such a simple investment. It's a strong shoe. The silhouette is great. The colorway is great. It has extra amenities in the packaging. Really, I don't see anything going wrong with this investment. Let's just show you. So last but not least, the Air Jordan 1 in the patent bread colorway. If you guys decide to take any investment from this video, this is the one I would say to do. Looking at the silhouette, looking at the colorway, we can look at the Chicago 1 release. Those are a few years old, but the prices are up there around $900. I feel like the whole shape of the shoe looks better than the Chicago. You have the embroidery on the inside. You get the extra laces. The box looks nice. The quality is really, really good on these, and it's just that bread colorway. If it was another colorway, like we have the metallic gold in the patent colorway, that looks nice, but it just doesn't hit as much as this patent bread one. And right now I'm buying these for under $300. I think that's going to be a great investment. In the long term, I can see these going for $500 plus. Such a clean shoe. I'm really excited to wear these too. Yeah, I think this is going to be one of the best investments I can make this year, so I'm really going hard at acquiring those. If you guys haven't already checked out my 3 tips on how to cop for retail, make sure to check that out, because I'd say start by copying shoes for retail and then resell those, and then maybe look at more hype shoes that you can buy for resale that still have a good profit margin to where you can make some extra money. Again, this is all opinionated. I'm just a guy who likes sneakers. I'm definitely not a financial advisor. Let me know what sneakers you guys will be investing in. It is spring break, so I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Yeah, make sure to follow at KickedOutOV and check me out on Insta at Jordan in Vegas. But yeah, until next time. Wait, if you guys take any, last but not so, and I would back. If you guys haven't already checked, the last and final pair is my strongest pick. This is a shoe that I'm really, so it's one of the UNC. It's just such a clean colorway. It definitely drop. And now these next 2 picks. Now for these, I said size 8 and up are good. I'd want to play. These next 2 picks are this is something that will do good.